Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today I'm going to show you what I got at the Dollar Tree. But first I want to tell you what I got at Lowe's yesterday. We were there getting wood for my new workbench, and if you can hear the sanding in the background, that would be my husband sanding my new craft bench. So I'll be able to post pictures of that really soon, which I'm super excited about. But yesterday at Lowe's, anyway, I grabbed 2 packages of these shims. They're wooden shims. They come 12 to a pack, and I think they were under $2. And the next craft that I'm going to make, or I shouldn't say next craft, but I'm going to be doing a craft of these. So you may want to grab yourself some if you want to be able to follow along. So the first things that I'll show you that I got from the Dollar Tree are what I could find for fall stuff there so far. So the first thing I did was go to the Florals, because those seem to be the first things that always come in to the Dollar Trees, and you can grab them. I grabbed a couple of bunches of these Gerber daisies, and they're super cute. They're like a yellowy color, and I just love the way they look. And a couple of these hydrangeas, and these are like a yellowy cream colored, and they're just so pretty. And they match these daisies like so perfectly. Look at that. So definitely going to use these for a project. The next thing I got were these wooden, they're metal words. They say haunted, spooky, and beware. I grabbed 2 packages of these because once the fall season starts and the crafters get in there, these seem to be one of the first things that goes. Every Dollar Tree seems to run out of them. But these are great on signs. You can add them to anything. They're awesome. So I recommend getting some of those. Grabbed a package of fall napkins. And these I actually think were from last year because they were in like a clearance bin. So I got these for 50 cents. So grab a pack of these. These are great for Mod Podging on stuff. They're just super adorable. Then I grabbed these. They had these wooden words. This one says gather. And I don't know which way is forward to you guys, but one of these ways is backwards because I have the camera flipped. And then I grabbed the word thankful. These are the only 2 that they had. They just have little twine hangers, but you can pull those off if you want to put them on a sign. So these are super cute. I mean, $1. Love the Dollar Tree. Got a couple of these, which are just like little tiny frames. I think they're like 3 by 5. They're really, really, really small. They're not big, you know, big 8 by 10 frames. They have these little clips on them, but I figured I could remove the clip because it looks like it's just screwed on. We could put something cute on the front of these. I mean, can you picture like a little pumpkin here, or at Walmart, they have these cows and pig cutouts at certain Walmarts. My Walmart doesn't, but the town over for me does. They have cows and pigs and I think a rooster. Can you see that on there? That would be so cute. Next thing I got was a couple of these, and these are just super cute, just the way they are. This one says gather. It's like a little wooden house, and they got little beads at the end. I mean, how cute are those? $1 each. I mean, you can't go wrong. And I honestly, I think I like them just the way they are. I might not even change them. And then I grabbed these. They had this pineapple. It's like a little wooden container. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it's just cute. So I grabbed it. I also grabbed one of these pineapple cutouts. I don't have any pineapple decor in my house. I don't have anything like that. But look, I mean, for $1, I love the Dollar Tree. Then they have these little boxes, and these are so adorable. And these little drawers slide in and out. And so I figured that you could just take it, flip it around, because I don't want the butterfly on the front. I mean, for a little girl's room, it'd be cute. But I figured you could Mod Podge some paper on the front and paint this, and you could make yourself like a cute little stacking wooden drawer set. And then you could use like a wooden bead right here as a drawer handle, glue it on. How cute are those? So we're definitely going to do something cool with those. Grabbed one of the home cutouts, and it's just basically wooden home with like a little stand. But can you picture, like, this is one of those little wooden houses from Michael's. You set that back there like that, grab some twine around here. That would be super adorable. Then my Dollar Tree didn't have these, but the one by my work did, and so I stopped in there, and there's like these little wooden house shadow boxes. And they're in like these graduated sizes. So like you could put them, make yourself like a little village out of them almost. And they have, I mean, the patterns on the back of them are really cute as is, but you could Mod Podge some, you know, Halloween paper, some Christmas paper. So I grabbed 4 of those. I grabbed one of these plastic cutting boards. I was thinking Mod Podging some scrapbook paper and then maybe Mod Podging like a recipe, or you could put like one of the little wooden cutouts on it. That would be super cute. And then I grabbed 3 of these like shadow box frames, and they all say something different. Spoiled Dogs Lives Here, Welcome to the Jungle. And this one says, bless our home and all who enter. I figured we could pop these things off because they're not really attached very well. And you could Mod Podge some, you know, cute Halloween paper, and then take one of those wooden pumpkins that they come out with at the Dollar Tree in the packages, like the decorate your own ornaments, and you could put one of those in there. And I mean, how cute would that be with a, you know, Mod Podge pumpkin with the paper in the back? That would be adorable. And you could paint the frame because they're just wooden frames. Cool idea. Next, I grabbed some couple of canvases, because I mean, you can't go wrong for $1 for canvases. So this one's a 4x6 and this one's a 6x8 canvas. And I mean, when you make a reverse canvas out of this, basically for $1 you got a cute little wooden frame. So you can't go wrong with those. I got some of these rub-on transfers. They're just letters. They're gold, and I think they're super cute. I'm sure we can find something to do. It shows on the back that they can stick to just about anything, and so we'll see how well they stick. I've never used them before. I haven't used a rub-on transfer in years, so we'll try those out. I got some of this Luau Garland, and this is just burlap garland. It has these little birds. Figure we could pull those off, and these letters on here that say Luau are just cardboard letters, so we could just peel those off and we could stamp or paint or stencil fall across it, or you could do snow for the winter, and it'd be a cute little banner. Then I grabbed these. These are meant to be for a wedding. So they say like reception, cocktails, gifts, and they're like little arrows, and you're supposed to stand them on a table. But I figured if we pull these pieces off the back and you paint over this, and you could write like pumpkin patch this way, apple orchard this way, you know, cider. You could do, you know, or at wintertime you could do North Pole, elf workshop. You know, I mean, the ideas are endless, and I mean, they're only $1. So I grabbed 3 of those, and you can put them on one of those stakes, the wooden stakes that you can buy at Lowe's or Home Depot. I think they're like $3, and then you can stick it in your yard, and it's cute Halloween decoration or fall. Next, I grabbed some of the splatter screens. I'm gonna make another splatter screen pumpkin. I figured that would be really cute with these flowers that I got, you know, attached to the bottom of the pumpkin. If you want to make these pumpkins out of the splatter screens, which if you've seen my video or you can check out my video, you want to get the splatter screens now, because once the fall season starts, these things sell out so fast. Last year, nobody could find them. So now is the time to go get your splatter screens. And for each pumpkin, you need 3 splatter screens. Then I got some wooden jars. I mean, glass jars. They're not wooden. What am I talking about? And I figured this would look really, really cute painted. You could paint it like an orange color or white, and we could add some flowers to it. I mean, look how cute that looks already. And we'll get rid of this ugly silver bow, and we'll put some twine on there, and that would look super cute. I mean, check it out. How cute is that? It'd be cute as a little centerpiece on a shelf or on a table. Great ideas. Same thing with these. I got a hurricane glass jar. These would look cute with like filled with like 8 fake acorns, or you could put potpourri in it, or the little what are they, putka pods or pumpkin pods or whatever they are. They look like little pumpkins. You could stick those in there, and you could add flowers to that, so that would be at the bottom. How cute would that be? I mean, these look cute just with the flowers in them. You could wrap some twine around it. You could wrap a burlap piece of ribbon around it. I got one of these glass jars just with the screw tops. This one, it's just a square jar. I got this one, which kind of looks like, I have a candy jar that looks like this. It's got like a flat bottom here on the side, so it kind of sits at an angle. But I thought that was kind of cute. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, but I'm sure I'll find something. I got one of these pumpkins that are made out of glass. It almost look like mercury glass. I don't know if you can see how cool the design is. It's really pretty. But I figured we could wrap some twine around this and maybe some couple leaves hanging off of the twine and then put a candle in it. And I bet this is really pretty lit up because it's kind of like see-through all around on the inside. I don't know if you can see, but that would be really cute on a fall table. I got some of these craft clamps. I figured these would be good when we're gluing a project together, and these can hold it. I've never tried them, but we'll see. I mean, for $1 and you get 6 clamps. Not a bad deal. I got another little jar. This one has like a pop-off lid. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I just thought it was cute. I got some salt and pepper shakers, and these I made like a flower holder, and I did 4 of them inside of one of the Dollar Tree butter dishes. I have a video up if you want to check that out. And these would look really cute. You could paint these into snowmen. You could take styrofoam balls and put them on the top and make a little scarf around the bottom and make a snowman out of the styrofoam ball. I mean, the possibilities with these are endless and they're adorable. So I grabbed a few of those. And yes, I grabbed a plunger because I have the cutest craft for this. So make sure you grab yourself a plunger if you want to follow along. It's a super cute Halloween craft. Yes, a plunger, not used, brand new, $1. And then, last but not least, I grabbed these tags. And they're just, you know, I don't even know, cardboard, I guess, flags. And this one was the last one that they had that said the USA. It was a leftover 4th of July decoration. So I grabbed this one. And then these ones were like beach ones. It says, find me at the beach. So I grabbed 2 of these. And I was thinking that we could Mod Podge some paper, scrapbook paper on these, or we could paint them. And somehow we could attach them. Have you seen those tag door hangers? And hang these on the door. You could do Christmas, you could do fall, you could do Halloween, but we'll come up with something cute. But I mean, $1 each, can't go wrong. So figure how cute would that look on a door decorated. But I think these are a great deal. So definitely grab some of these. And the USA one is a little bit smaller than these ones. So as you can see, there's like another 2 inches down here. So I grabbed 2 of the bigger ones and then just one of these because this is all they had left. But that was all I got at the Dollar Tree so far because all of the rest of it was school supplies. They have not put out fall or Halloween yet at my Dollar Tree. I'm going to go back tomorrow and see if they have put any of it out. And then I will do another video of that Dollar Tree haul when I finally get some fall or Halloween stuff over there. But I appreciate you watching and I hope I gave you some good ideas. And please don't forget to sprinkle.